You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. In this video we're mainly focusing on the version by the Crystals, which you can play and sing along to no problem without a capo. If you want to play along to the Bruce Springsteen version, which is so fantastic, a capo 5th fret will put these chords in that key so you can play along to that too. Let's have a close-up on the chords you'll need first of all. Full song play along later on in this video. The chords you'll need to be able to play are a G major chord, C major, E minor, A minor, D major, and A major. So 6 chords in total, and that gets us through the full song. If we go straight for the chorus of this song, we will play a G chord for You Better Watch Out, and a C chord for You Better Not Cry. Same again. You better not pout, I'm telling you why. And then we have the same again. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Quicker chord change for that last line of this section and kind of every section really. Santa Claus is coming to town. This is very common chords in this key. G to E minor, so keep the first finger down and move to E minor like this. A minor, D major. Santa Claus is coming to town. If you want to play and sing this yourself, strumming once per chord is the best way to get a handle on this. So let's just do that together one more time. From the G chord, 1, 2, 3. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Here's the quicker chord change. Santa Claus is coming to town. Practice that a couple of times if you need, but if you can do that, the next best option is just playing on the beat. And this song is so fast, it has such a fast BPM, that actually just strumming it on the beat I think is great for an acoustic version. That goes like this. The BPM is kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 119 BPM or thereabouts for the original version. But if we slow that down a little and just play on every main pulse, almost on every word. You better watch out. You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 per chord until we get to Santa Claus is coming, where it's just twice per word. Let's have a go at that together on the beat this time. 2, 3. You better watch out. Better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Same as that for the second verse. He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. C, C, G at the end there, as a prep for going into this next section, which you know the lyrics, but let's have a look at the chords. We'll have the G chord. He sees you when you're sleeping, to a C major chord. That happens again. He knows when you're awake. A major knows if you've been bad or good. That's a D major, and that happens again. A major to a D. Whole bar of each chord, nice and simple. Let's have a play along. It's G to C twice, A to D twice. 1, 2, 3. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. And then we're back to the main part. You better watch out. So let's have a go at that. Join in 1, 2, 3. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. If any of those chords in that quicker change section give you any problems, just isolate which two, perhaps just two chords give you problems. For example, if it's between E minor and A minor, just repeat those one after the other as many times as needed. Say it's the A minor to D, A minor, D major. If it takes you a little while to get to it, and it takes you a little while, have a go at it for 30 seconds to a minute, and you would be surprised how much it can really speed up over time. But what you're looking for is not one finger down at a time. That's how we learn chords, but not how we practice them. You want to make a shape of the chord before you put it down, like this, and then freeze in the air, and then move down to it. You'll get more help with that in my beginner's course and the other stuff we have available at andyguitar.co.uk. That's exclusive to that website, my website, that I don't make available on YouTube because YouTube's just for fun songs, right? So now we're going to look at a full play along. We'll have the chords on screen for you. Let me know how this looks to you, and if you really like this kind of thing, we'll do it in more tutorials. Let me know your other favourite Christmas songs in the comments below, but let's have a full song playthrough now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. So that's Santa Claus is coming to town. Let's just quickly have a look at the Bruce Springsteen version. So this would be capo 5th fret, which means we can use all the same chords, but this puts it in the key of G major. So let's just have a small playthrough of that now, just with this 8th strumming, and the capo is the main difference. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. continuing on in that fashion. So that's something to have a bit of fun with. Let me know how you get on with that in the comments below, and you'll find more Christmas songs on screen now, along with a link to my free Christmas songs ebook, only available at andyguitar.co.uk.